There's another interest problem. So I always start with the letters A, P, R, N, T. And then by looking at this problem, it looks like there's going to be two problems within this. So we'll start at the beginning. 2,500 is deposited. That's your principal. %, semi-annually. So the rate is 0.04. Semi-annually means that N is 2. After 5 years, the money is taken out. So we got to know how much money is there so we know how much money is taken out of the account. So let's solve that. So the formula A equals P 1 plus R over N to the NT. So plug in the 2,500, 1 plus 0.04 divided by 2 to the 2 times 5. And remember, work inside out. So 0.04 divided by 2 is 0.02, plus 1 is 1.02 to the 10th power. And then we'll multiply. 1.02 to the 10th power. And then multiply by the principal, which is 2,500. So there's $3,047.49. So that's how much money is in the account after 5 years. But then it says the money is withdrawn. So you take that $3,047.49, deposit into a new account. So that's now our principal. Deposit into a new account that's 6.5%, so 0.065. Compounded quarterly, so that means N equals 4 times a year. What's the balance after 5 more years? So 5 more years. If we're using the same formula, the A equals P 1 plus R over N. A equals P 1 plus R 0.065 over N to the N times T. So again, work inside out, so the 0.065 divided by 4 plus 1 to the 20th power. Plus 1 to the 20th power. And then we're going to multiply it by the 3,047.49, the principal. So after those 5 years, there'll be $4,206.82. 4206.82. It was like 2 problems in one. You solve the first one, plug it into the second. Takes a while. Half-life. You can just remember the half-life formula. which is pretty easy because it's natural log of a half, because it's half-life, equals KT. So the decay constant, that's K. So if we're trying to find the half-life, we're just solving for T, so we're going to divide by K. So we do natural log of 1/2 divided by negative 0.0754. Natural log of 1/2 divided by negative 0.0754. I think I remember that. Yep. So it's 9.193 from the calculator, 9.193. And it says to the nearest day. So if we round that to the nearest day, that'll be 9 days.